Hello, everyone. In this session, we'll talk about the fundamental principle of Tao, reversion. Tao originates heaven, earth, and all things in the world. It also governs everything with the law of nature. One of the laws is in Laozi's term that a complete reversing is the movement of Tao. 反者道之动. Reversion is the characteristic movement of Tao. It is the way in which Tao moves. In Dao De Jing, we find that to be supreme means to go away from, 大约是. To go away from means to get further and further, 是曰远. To get further and further means to revert back, 远曰反. The meaning of sentence is that when a state of quality of a thing develops and arrives at its extreme, it will turn to its opposite. As a Chinese saying goes, 物极必反. Feng Youlan explains, if the quality of a thing has developed to its highest pitch, then that quality inevitably changes and becomes its opposite. In the following part, we will see how the opposite concept of being, 有, and non-being, 无, contains and produces each other on the principle of reversion. The conception of being and non-being is a leading idea of Laozi. Being is 有 in Chinese, and non-being is 无. According to Dao De Jing, all things are born from being, 万物生于有, and being is born from non-being, 有生于无. It means everything in the world comes into being with a form. The form comes from the formless. Tao is the formless, in a state of emptiness and nothingness, yet it creates all beings, 有, in the world. The existence and the formation of everything in form of being, 有, are initiated from Tao as non-being, 无, which is the fundamental source that transcends all tangible beings, 有. Non-being, 无, refers to the original source, which is intangible, unidentifiable, and transcends all specific objects. Opposite to non-being, being, 有, refers to any tangible and identifiable things or the sum total of them. Being, 有, and non-being, 无, are mutually dependent. Being may turn into non-being, and non-being may turn into being. The existence of being depends on the existence of non-being, and vice versa. This reversion is manifested in Laozi's statement that ill fortune contains good fortune. 祸兮福之所以. Good fortune breeds ill fortune. 福兮祸之所伏. In other words, calamity rests on happiness, while happiness leans upon calamity. Just like the old frontierman losing a horse, 塞翁失马, who knows but that which seems a misfortune may prove a blessing in disguise? The old frontierman's story expounds the relationship between being, 有, and non-being, 无.